Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 12th of September, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 6th of September 2024, our system has identified Intel as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 2.49%. This equates to an average return of 0.5% per day since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock currently sits in the middle of a broad and downward trend in the short term, indicating further decline within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 41.67% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -46.42% to -27.5%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a decline of about 33.45% over the next year, with potential returns between -36.1% and +29.18%. This equates to a price range of approximately $12.37 to $25.01 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Intel includes the headline, Intel stock price down 1.43% on Thursday. The Intel stock price decreased by 1.43% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 12th of September, 2024, falling from $19.64 to $19.36. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.63%, ranging from a low of $19.04 to a high of $19.54. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decrease of 1.27% during this period. Notably, the trading volume also fell alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indication, as volume typically aligns with stock movement. On the last trading day, the volume decreased by 19 million shares, with a total of 51 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $984,002,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $51.28, while the lowest was $18.51. Currently, the price is 62.24%, or $31.92 below the 52-week high, and 72.06%, or $49.93, below the all-time high reached on the 24th of January, 2020, when the price peaked at $69.29. Intel, with the stock symbol INTC, recently closed at $19.36, down 1.43% in the latest trading session. This decline underscores the ongoing challenges faced by the tech giant. Recent discussions between Commerce Secretary Gina Raimondo and Intel's CEO Pat Gelsinger emphasize efforts to strengthen U.S. chip production, which may lead to government support to aid Intel's recovery. However, despite these initiatives, Intel's situation remains fragile. The company is currently undergoing a significant restructuring aimed at reducing costs and refocusing on its semiconductor business amidst fierce competition from companies such as NVIDIA and AMD. Analysts are cautiously optimistic about a new reorganization plan expected later this month, yet skepticism remains due to Intel's recent performance. Earnings have fallen short of expectations, with revenue declining compared to the previous year and adjusted earnings per share dropping to 2 cents. Intel's difficulties are further exacerbated by its foundry business, which has encountered setbacks and is falling behind its competitors, leading to diminished investor confidence. Since mid-June, the stock has experienced a substantial decline, with analysts categorizing it as a strong sell, due to high debt levels and underwhelming profitability relative to its peers. While some analysts speculate about the potential for a long-term price increase up to $60 per share, short-term prospects remain uncertain as management addresses ongoing operational and financial challenges. Investors will be closely watching how Intel navigates these issues, as its future performance is likely to significantly influence stock sentiment in the coming months. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 16th of August, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Intel a sector weight rating along with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Cantor Fitzgerald also rated Intel with an overweight designation, again with a hold recommendation. Moving to Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, Goldman Sachs provided Intel with a buy rating coupled with a hold recommendation. On that same date, RBC Capital assigned Intel a sector perform rating, which included a downgrade recommendation. Lastly, on the 5th of August, BMO Capital rated Intel as market perform, along with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Intel stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy, and the price-to-book ratio also receives a buy rating. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Intel. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, and so far it has risen by 2.49%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. The Intel stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a prevailing sell signal for the stock, indicating a more negative forecast. With further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $21.90. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $19.25. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will reinforce the sell signal and strengthen the overall sentiment. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, as volume should align with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger also indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a buy 3 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 37 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 33 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average signaled a buy 10 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 116 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 124 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel finds support from accumulated volume at $19.07, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock demonstrates average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. In the previous day, the stock fluctuated by 50 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 2.63%. Over the last week, the stock exhibited a daily average volatility of 3.96%. Before we dive into the possible favorable trading levels for Intel, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may suggest that the stock is overvalued, or it could indicate that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 24th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at -3 cents. It's wise to monitor these figures as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for Intel is at $20.10. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Intel faces its first support level at $19.07. Should this support level remain intact, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources indicates a sell recommendation. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Scott Gawel, who bought and sold a total of 9,888 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a notable ratio of 1.719. In total, insiders acquired 450,195 shares, while selling 428,883 shares in these 100 trades. We hold a negative assessment for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Intel stock a good buy? Intel presents several negative indicators, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After assessing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 13th of September, we anticipate that Intel will open lower by approximately 4.67 cents, starting trading at $19.31. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. You should not base your investment choices solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.